Hello everyone, how are you? Have you ever seen in hacking movies that the hacker changes their IP address every few seconds and the security team can't trace them at all? It may sound cinematic, but there is real technology behind it. Now, an important point, changing. IP addresses repeatedly is not only for hacking. In ethical hacking and penetration testing, this technique is often necessary. For example, suppose a company gives you the responsibility to test the security of their website. You are testing with different tools, but suddenly the website's firewall blocks your IP address. What will you do then? This is exactly where automatic IP rotation becomes useful. In today's video, I will show you how you can automatically change your IP address every 3 seconds. Important disclaimer. This video is created for educational purposes only. Do not use this information for any illegal activity. Hacking is illegal. Stay legal, stay safe. Now let's move directly to the practical part. Currently, you can see my Kali Linux screen. If you don't have Kali Linux, there is a video on my channel. You can check it out. Our first task will be to configure Kali Linux so that we can use the Tor network, because we will change IP addresses automatically using Tor. First, open the terminal. Then update Kali Linux packages. Sudo apt update -y. After the update, install Tor. Sudo apt install Tor. After installation, start the Tor service. Sudo systemctl start Tor. To check if Tor is running, sudo systemctl status Tor. If it shows active, then Tor is running successfully. Now install Python pip3. Sudo apt install python 3-pip. Then create a Python virtual environment. Python 3-m venv mivenv. To check if the folder is created, ls. Now activate the virtual environment. Source mivenv/bin/activate. And from here, we will start the automatic IP rotation setup. As you can see, an option named mivenv has appeared in Kali Linux. Now we need to install the Tornet application. Type in the terminal, pip install Tornet, then press enter. After Tornet is installed, we can use it with the command. But before starting Tornet, we need to configure the browser so it can use Tornet service. Now open your browser, then click the 3-dot menu, go to settings, scroll down and click network settings, select manual proxy configuration. Now enter the settings, socks, host 127.0.0.1, port 9050. Scroll down and check mark select proxy DNS when using socks v5. Then click OK. Now the browser configuration is complete. We will go back to the terminal. Now we will use Tornet so that our IP address changes every 3 seconds. Type in the terminal Tornet -interval 3 count 0, then press enter. Now Tornet has started running. You can see it showing an IP address. In this way, a new IP address will appear every 3 seconds. To check whether it is working in the browser, open the browser. Then type check.tor project.org. If your browser shows a successful connection, it means Tornet is working properly and your browser is using Tornet.